You can expect a lot from the 2005 Dodge Magnum. This four-door, five-passenger wagon still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 330 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.